I want everyone to think of a movement that they really struggle with. Maybe it's a snatch, maybe it's the bar muscle ups that we worked on yesterday. Think of something that's your, oh, I just can't quite get it right, but a couple of times in the past you have done it right. Okay, so a movement that normally is not great, but there's just been 1 or 2 times when you've nailed it, it's felt really good. Everyone got a movement in mind there? Okay, I'm just going to give you 15 seconds. Close your eyes again. I want you to visualize yourself doing the movement incorrectly with that common fault that you always have. Then I want you to visualize yourself doing that movement correctly. Make the fix and feel how good it's going to feel. Okay, closing your eyes. First up, just visualize that skill. Doing it slightly incorrectly, a little bit of a fault in the movement. Feel that? Not quite right, is it? There's something about it is not quite right. Okay, now rewind that. Start it again, hit play. This time, make the fix, make the correction. Let's go. Feels good, moving well, fluid. And eyes open. Cool. You can start to self-correct some of your movement faults and techniques by first playing it incorrectly and then saying, okay, here's how I fix it. You start to self-coach a little bit. It can be a really useful tool to be able to fix some of your incorrect movement patterns.